Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix this application can't be opened error on Mac. So here we are in Apple support, and the only things that they have said right here, and you can actually check if you're using the same version. So search this actual Mac user guide right here. So just search if you can't open an app on Mac, then search the version if you are searching a version, that a specific version, but I'm using macOS Sequoia 15. So the first thing that it will actually say is if you aren't a administrator on your Mac, it's going to be preventing you from using the app. So you have to contact the administrator of your Mac. So next is you can't open it because it's not a registered Apple identified developer, and there's a workaround around that. So if it's not actual application by Apple, you can actually go ahead and go to your privacy and security, and then sometimes when you scroll down to the very bottom, the application name will be right here, and then was blocked to protect your Mac, and then press open anyway, and you'll be able to open it already. So next is if you recently installed a new version of macOS, some apps may need to be updated or reinstalled, so you'll just have to uninstall and reinstall it, simply as that, so that you'll be able to use your application again. So there you go guys, those are the things that you can do so you can fix the opening an app on Mac that doesn't even work.